everybody, welcome back to 70 Yards Tiny Farm and More. I just wanted to show you about one of the projects we are working on. We are remodeling our master bedroom. This is part of the and more, part of our name. And so I just wanted to bring you along and kind of show you what we're doing. We've already kind of started it. So thank you for joining us, and let's take a look at what we're doing in the master bedroom. So right now, this is our master bedroom, and we've been in this house for 7 years. And when we first moved in, I had painted it and kind of started decorating it like the master bedroom in our last house, which I really liked, and I'll put a picture of it on here for you. But this room is different. The lighting's different in here. This window is on the east side, and it's just much different. But these are the same colors that we had in our old house. This is kind of like I don't know, an olive green, a mixture between an olive and pea green. But I'm changing it to grays and whites, and so you can see I've already started doing that. The top third of the wall is going to be gray, and then the bottom is going to be white board and batten. And then this wall here is all gray. We have the closets on this wall, which are white. And this is one of the things that I started on because I'm the biggest offender of this, but I leave clothes out that I'm going to be wearing, or that I, just wear a couple times and I think I'm going to wear it again the next day or so. And so I just leave it there instead of putting it in the closet. So I'm the biggest offender of this. So I wanted hooks for us. So I just recently made this. We are changing the light fixtures in here. I've kind of drawn out where I want them. I will show you the headboard. I'm going to use an old door from a church. It's old solid wood door that I'm going to be using. And it's got some cool texture on it. And then we're going to hang little sconces, and I'll show you the sconces. They're pretty cool. I got them off of Etsy, and I'll put the link to them in here, but it's a frosted glass, what are those called? Insulators. It's a frosted glass insulator, and we're going to mount it on a piece of stained wood because this wall here is going to be the focal point, of course, because the bed is on it, but we are going to make this whole wall like vintage, old plaster brick. And I'll show you. I did that in the bathroom as well, that treatment, the wall treatment, and I really liked it. So I think it's going to look good there with the white on the bottom, the white board matten on the bottom, and then the gray uppers. I still have to figure out what to do with this window. I'm really torn about it because it is an arch window. I don't know if you can see that. It's arched window. And I know that foil looks really redneck, and I'm sorry about that, but it gets really hot in here in the summertime. So I just put that up real quick, this past summer to kind of help keep the heat out. I am going to put some film on the window to help, some mirrored film to help kind of reflect the sun. Okay, so this is our, sorry, messy bathroom because it's so small. And we're actually going to redo the bathroom at the same time as the bedroom. So we're going to get a new vanity and mirror and cabinet and everything else. And when I was turning lights on to take this video, I accidentally pulled the wrong chain and I turned the fan on, and now I can't get the fan to shut off. So one more thing my husband's going to have to fix until we get a new fan. We're definitely, excuse me, getting a new fan in here. So I have to buy one. Okay, so that's a wrap. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more content like this. But stay tuned, and we will have more updates on the master bedroom project.